Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a promo code deal for Air Arabia. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to head on over to Google, and now inside the Google search box I'm going to type in Air Arabia promo code and then hit search. Then after that you'll be brought to a whole list of results inside the Google search. So now if you scroll down you'll see all these different third-party sites offering different coupon promo code deals, so you can check out most of these, but one I like to use is from WeThriftit.com. It says here Air Arabia promo code deals 50% off in August. So if we click into that website, if we scroll down, you can see here 5% off store-wide, 50% off with code FLYG9. They've actually got the code there. And a good thing about this particular third-party site, if you go ahead and you can click on show history. So you can see this code was last used 2 days ago with 3,545 total uses. And you can also see Air Arabia promo code was reported working by shoppers 6 days ago. So you can go ahead and copy this code. Now paste this code at the checkout section of Air Arabia when you book your next flight to receive a discount off that flight.